Introducing SEMPRE, a revolution in battlefield connectivity. SEMPRE is the first secure network with local edge and cloud designed specifically for military and contested environments. Boeing has partnered with SEMPRE to accelerate and protect real-time decision-making and flightline modernization. Deployed in minutes, SEMPRE establishes immediate EMP survivable and transportable reachback capabilities from anywhere around the world. Boeing and SEMPRE are ensuring command and control are always online and always protected, bringing secure networking and edge computing together to sustain combat readiness wherever the mission is. This technology is essential to cybersecurity, uninterrupted communications, and aircraft ready for whatever comes next. With a global presence, Boeing and SEMPRE are unlocking a decisive edge while leading the next era of connectivity in contested operations. Boeing is providing the technology today for tomorrow's warfighters.